Hi, I am your pharmacist. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that has been gaining a lot of attention lately, the amazing benefits of eating turmeric. In this video, we will explore 10 reasons why you should consider incorporating this golden spice into your daily diet. Before we dive into the benefits, let's first take a look at what turmeric is made of. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that comes from the root of the 𝓢𝓾𝓰𝓮𝓼𝓼 plant. The active ingredient in turmeric is called curcumin, which is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So, what makes turmeric so special? Let's explore the 10 incredible benefits of eating turmeric. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric has been used for centuries to reduce inflammation in the body. Curcumin helps to inhibit certain molecules that play a role in inflammation, making it a natural and effective way to combat chronic inflammation. Number 2, boosts immunity. Turmeric contains compounds that can help strengthen the immune system. It stimulates the production of immune cells, enhancing your body's ability to fight off infections and diseases. Number 3, supports digestive health. Turmeric has been traditionally used to treat various digestive issues. It aids in reducing bloating, improving digestion, and even relieving symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Number 4, promotes heart health. Studies have shown that curcumin can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It also helps to improve blood circulation and maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Number 5, enhances brain function. Curcumin has been found to have neuroprotective properties, which means it can help protect the brain from age-related decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Number 6, fights cancer. Turmeric has shown promising results in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and preventing the spread of tumors. While more research is needed, it is believed that curcumin has the potential to be an effective complementary therapy in cancer treatment. Number 7, supports joint health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties make it beneficial for those suffering from joint pain and arthritis. Regular consumption of turmeric can help reduce pain, swelling, and stiffness in the joints. Number 8, improves skin health. Turmeric has been used for centuries in skin care due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help soothe skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis, leaving your skin looking healthy and radiant. Number 9, aids weight management. Turmeric can assist in weight management by boosting metabolism and promoting the breakdown of fats. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. Number 10, supports liver health. Turmeric aids in detoxifying the liver and improving its function. It helps to flush out toxins and supports the liver's natural ability to regenerate. So there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of eating turmeric. Whether you choose to add it to your meals or take it as a supplement, incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. As always, remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, because health is Zaroori.